For those of you that don't know, I love the American flag. And I had a thought. I love military logos. So what can I do that combines the flag and the military logo? Stick around and you'll find out. Bought some fake barnwood at the local home center, ripped it to my sizes, replaced the dado in them, and cut them all to length, just a little bit over, just so I had a little fudge factor. Prepared for a little surgery, and stained all my red stripes, my blue field, and white stripes. I really like using this 22 gauge nailer. You can't even see the pinholes, and they remove real easily after you're done. Let it sit and dry after it was all clamped up, and threw it on the CNC and cut some stars. Started with the 45-degree engraving bit to do the small part of the logo. Then a 60-degree bit that I cut out all the letters and the stars. Dotted the I. I started the logo process with an 1/8 inch end mill. Took about an hour to get this done. So I always use good eye protection when I sit there and watch the whole process, as I'm getting mesmerized watching the CNC endlessly cut. But this here is a 1/16 inch end mill. It took 2 hours to do all the clearing with this bit. Didn't even know I could buy a 1/16 inch end mill. And finally, a 1/4 inch end mill to do the circle around the perimeter. And we're done. Little finish seal coat just to protect it from the weather. The little fine spaces so I wouldn't have any pooling of finish. And we're done. Hey, there's next week's project. Well, we're all done with this guy. Time to go make a delivery. I only had this posted on social media for about 10 minutes when I started getting suggestions on other branches of the military to make with this flag. Don't you folks worry, everybody's gonna get their turn. Well, now that it's all complete, I'm gonna take it over to another old guy and we're gonna mount it on his wall. We'll see you in the next video.